Hello students.
Hello, ma'am.
You have many objects in your hands. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, tell me first of all, what do you have in your hand?
I have ball.
Ball. And initial sound of ball is
Ball.
B. Good. Prisha?
I have glass. Initial sound
Of glass is
G.
G. Good.
I have a pot. The initial sound is a P.
Initial sound of pot is
P.
P.
I have a cot.
Initial sound of cot is
K.
K. Good.
I have a lock. Initial sound of lock.
Initial sound of lock is L.
I have a key.
Initial sound of key is
K. K.
K. Good.
I have a pin.
Initial sound of pin is
P. P.
P. P. Good.
I have a tractor.
Initial sound of tractor is
T.
T. Good.
I have dog. Initial
Sound
sound
of dog is
D.
D. Good.
I have a rabbit. Rabbit initial sound R.
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 Good. Very good, बच्चों.